In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove devices from your Claude AI account. If you've ever logged in on a shared computer, a work laptop, or a friend's phone, and you're not sure whether you logged out properly, this process will help you secure your account by signing out everywhere in just a few clicks. Let's start from the beginning. First, you'll need to log in to Claude AI, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. On the homepage, sign in with your usual account details. Make sure you're on the official site and that you're using a secure connection, especially if you're on a public or shared network. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main Claude AI workspace or chat view. Next, you'll need to find your profile icon. Depending on the device you're using, its location will be slightly different. On a desktop or laptop, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a small profile icon, which might show your initials or a generic avatar. On a mobile device, that same profile icon is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Take a second to make sure you found it because this is where you'll access your account controls. Go ahead and click or tap your profile icon. A small menu will open up. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your Claude AI account. Inside Settings, look for a section or tab called Account. Select Account to open your account-related options. This page is where you manage core things like your account details and security, including the option to log out of devices. Once you're on the account settings page, look for a button that says Log out of all devices. This is the key control that will remove active sessions from any device where your Claude AI account is currently signed in. When you click this button, Claude will sign your account out everywhere. That includes other computers, phones, tablets, or browsers where you might still be logged in. After you click Log out of all devices, you may be asked to confirm that you really want to do this. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental logouts. Confirm your choice, and the system will immediately revoke access on all other devices. You might also be logged out on your current device depending on how Claude handles session security, so be ready to sign back in if needed. This is especially useful if you've used Claude on a device you no longer have access to, like a lost phone or a public computer. By logging out of all devices, you're essentially resetting your active sessions and making sure no one else can access your account from those places. Once you've done this, you're finished. You've successfully removed all devices from your Claude AI account by logging out everywhere at once. For extra security, you might also consider updating your password after completing this process, especially if you suspect someone else might have had access. That's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly and safely remove devices from your Claude AI account using the Log out of all devices option in your account settings.